Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. This past Wednesday I was speaking at the Central Minnesota Farm Show up in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and met a young farmer up there from Avon, Minnesota, close to St. Cloud, name of Ethan Smith. And Ethan was showing me about a very unusual and kind of a rare baler that he has. And I'm wondering how many of you out there may have run across one of these. It's a John Deere 10 HD high density baler. Here's a few pictures that Ethan provided. I think he said he bought this thing over in Wisconsin a few years ago. The owner over there at the time was looking to sell it and was about ready to scrap it. And Ethan saw the ad, went over and bought it, and was just got a big kick out of it. And he actually got it home, and he's been baling with it. And again, here's just a few pictures that Ethan sent. Pretty cool rig. There's a little frame of reference for you. These mini bales that it puts out, pretty unique. I think there's kind of a lot of demand for these small bales, get into the edge of metro areas and home design and all different kinds of uses. But there's the manual that Ethan has on it, the John Deere 10 high density baler. Now Ethan had a little video that he shot of this thing in action a couple years ago, so let's go to that video now.
Ram Trucks, premier vehicle of Machinery Pete TV.